Today actually I will be showing you my little garden which I have developed in my balcony. In the urban area we all think of having a garden, but due to the space constraint, right, the lifestyle which we lead, we don't get much time to get involved in this gardening. But we all have a dream, somewhere that we will have our own garden. So I will show you how I have developed a very small garden in my balcony with the little space I have. So first, starting with this plant, this is called salvia, which I have planted, and it's about 1 month I have planted it, and it's working pretty good, I would say, because after planting it, when I brought this home, it was having only one stick, and after I brought it in this 1 month, right, it is, you can see there are around 6 to 7 sticks I could get into the flower. So I would say it is doing pretty well, and I haven't done much in with that. Only I have prepared the soil and put some organic fertilizers which I can. Next, coming to the types, I have two types of daisy in my garden. This one is old plant which I had from the previous year, so it was like that, but it is doing a good, I would say, because without any maintenance also I could see it has bloomed. And like I will say that, yeah, whatever maintenance I have given with that, it is doing good. And if you can see that, what I have done is I have cut a portion of this plant, and I have just planted it here, so it has also started blooming. So I think it is very much pretty easy maintenance plant, and you all can have in your garden. Second one is another plant, because when I brought it, it was already ready. It was all it was already in the state of bloom. It was after I brought it, it started blooming. So I have just given fertilizers for one time, and then after that only it is blooming. So okay, coming to the next one which I have is called aster. If you can see, when I brought this, it was only about 1 week old, I will say. It was a small plant, and which I brought this from our local shop, and it was not a ready plant. It was having a small plant and having only one or two leaves, and it was in a small container. So from that stage I have planted it, and then after around I would say it around 2 months, right, it has started blooming. So you could see it has already started blooming. I could see one flower, another uh, it will bloom in couple of days. I was buying this plants, right, and the person from whom I was buying, he just gave me this, that yeah, you can plant this and see it is a beautiful flower. So it's a type of marigold. It is a different bit. It's a little bit different. If you see, it is not of the actual color. It has a patches of brown patches in it, so it's very different. Now it doesn't have much bloom. I would post another part of the video which I have showed before, where it was blooming. Yeah, it was a full cover with flower. Next is another two types of marigold. It is a different variety which I have bought recently, just planted 2 days. So if you can see, I have just planted this, and I know it will take time to bloom. So it is another variety. Next, coming to my what I will say, my valley of petunia. If you can see, I love petunia. I have all the colors. I have planted them in this space, and another space in my home that I will be showing in other part of the video. So here you can see I have utilized the area by hanging this basket, because I have this much, and they need sunrise, direct sunrise, and here is space. So that is very important. So that's why I have to plant it in this way. I have bought this in online, and then I have planted them in this basket. So I have planted 5 baskets you could see, and they are doing very good. They are blooming, and it's almost 2 to 3 weeks they have started blooming, and they are continuously full with flower. If you can see, every day I could see they are always full with flower, so they are doing very well. Also, here is another petunia which actually I couldn't hang, so I have kept it in a container here. Next is called another plant called Jarbera. It is also this plant also I have brought with these other daisies and all, but this was not a ready plant. It was just a small plant when I brought, so it hasn't started yet blooming. But you could see that it has this, the flower is coming, so you can see. So maybe in couple of weeks, right, or maybe 1.5 week, it will bloom. Coming to down here, I have a small arrangement which I prepare at the start of this season. When I brought this, it was after 1 or 2 weeks, it was full with flower. That I have a separate video. I'll be showing that in with this video. You can see now you cannot see much flower with it, because all it was it was in a high state of bloom, so all the flower it has bloomed, so it will take another week to again bloom with its full volume. So now if you can see, these are called wishbone flower. I have one plant which is blooming still now, so this is the purple color. So these two, the alternate way I have. And this is called Silesia. It is a type of stick flower, if you can see. So this arrangement I have prepared at the start of the season, and it was doing pretty well. Now it's not showing much flower, but yeah, it will bloom again. This is a common plant which you can get in, which I think everyone likes to plant because it is a low maintenance, another low maintenance plant. It is a bougainvillea. It's if you see, there are two varieties of bougainvillea. So this one, these are the clustered one. If you can see, the flowers are in a clustered manner. So this variety I planted. I have brought this plant about 2 months before, and it's also flowering till I brought it. So it's also doing good. This is another plant. It is one of my favorite plant. You see, it is called begonia. And I have planted, I haven't brought this. I have got this plant from one of my relatives' house, and after that I have planted it, and after that it start blooming. So I would say it blooms around whole year, because I have seen it to bloom in the winter as well, in the other season as well. So it's all year round flower, right? It gives you all year round, and the flowers are pretty. It's very beautiful. You can see in the color. I love this color. And the leaves are also very beautiful. You can use them as a decoration plant as well, because the leaves are very beautiful, if you see. So we are done with this balcony. So let's go to the other parts of my home where I have also planted different plants. So let's go to my dining area and my bedroom, from where I have planted the other plants. So this is another area of my house which I have decorated with the plants. So today I will be showing you my winter plants for decoration. So I have many plants here, which include my interior plant, which I have all year round, which I will be showing you in a different video. So today mainly I will be showing you my winter flowers for decoration. This is another plant called dianthus. So this arrangement which I have made for dianthus, and I have two varieties. I will not say varieties. Actually, two color dianthus. This is one of the color. I like this type of color. Right? You have the two shade. Right? If you see, you have orange and it's a red and pink. Right? So it is in a margin in a way. So this variety I like it. And another is a purple and white. So this is one arrangement. Another is a plant called kalonchi. It is a type of kalonchi. We have several varieties and several color of kalonchis are available. So this is one of the type, on one of the variety I brought. So when I brought this, it was having only one stick, but you can see now it has around 4 sticks. I have full bloom 3 sticks, and one small, it's started blooming. I have other plant as I showed. Maybe I will show you in a different video. Now coming to the most beautiful part of my house, where I could stand for, I could stand for the whole day here. I can spend my most of my day here because I like this area. You can see where I planted 5 baskets. This 5 basket of petunia. There are different colors of petunia, and in each of this basket I have planted 2 plants. You can see 2 color, right? So if you can see closely, in each of the basket I have 2 colors of petunia, and it has been planted for about 2 weeks, and from then only, maybe from after 1 week only, it started blooming. When I brought this plant, they were only small plant with no, there was no flower. But yeah, it started blooming after I planted in about 1 week. Okay, so I have shown you my little garden. Please support me by providing your comment in the comment section, and also like, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in my next video.